Top 51 Ullu web series actresses. 51 Tanisha Kanojia web series name Sursuri Lee Chamsuk Tawa Garam. 50 Ruma Sharma web series name Guardian Gandhi Baat 6. 49 Arshi Khan web series name Raat Ki Rani. 48 Gehna Vashisht web series name Gandhi Baat 6. 47 Pallavi Mukherjee web series name Gandhi Baat Chamsuk Sotela Pyar. 46 Priyal Gur web series name Behrupiya. 45 Meera Ghosh web series name Palang Toad Caretaker. 44 Natasha Suri web series name Inside Edge. 43 Tridha Chaudhary web series name Ashram. 42 Kriti Verma web series name Kavita Bhabhi. 41 Nikita Chopra web series name Khul Ja Sim Sim. 40 Rashmi Agdekar web series name Dev DD2. 39 Mokshita Raghav web series name Prabha Ki Diary Season 2. 38 Pihu Sharma web series name Kasoor Palang Toad Shore. 37 Mishti Basu web series name Riti Riwaz Chamsuk Salakar. 36 Shafaq Naz web series name Halala. 35 Sonia Singh Rajput web series name Sundara Bhabhi Nayan Sukh. 34 Sonali Pandita web series name Chamsuk Jane Anjane Mein. 33 Neha Gupta web series name Charam Yog Mohaniya. 32 Mahi Khan web series name Crime Patrol Savdhan India. 31 Kajal Jha web series name Chamsuk Tapan. 30 Ankita Dev web series name Singardan Charamsuk Chaul House 3. 29 Ankita Bhattacharya web series name Auction Riti Riwaz Water Wives. 28 Nidhi Mahavan web series name Hotspot Char Char Dinali Season 2. 27 Priya Gamre web series name Counselor Part 1, 2, Gachi Part 1, 2. 26 Palak Singh web series name Palang Toad Saza Yamaza Dinali. 25 Ridhima Tiwari web series name School Girl Madhosh Dairies. 24 Jayashri Gaikwad web series name Baba Ranch. 23 Sharanya Jeet Kaur web series name Kavita Bhabhi 3 Relationship Counselor. 22 Hiral Radadia web series name Charamsukh Promotion Palanted Sali Adhi Gharwali. 21 Noor Malabika web series name Palanted Siskiyan Tikhi Chutney. 20 Rooks Khandagale web series name Palanted Double Dhamaka Tak. 19 Ayushi Jaiswal Hotspot Char Char Palang Toad Damad Ji. 18 Muskan Agrawal web series name Palanted Bekabu Dil Rupee 500. 17 Rajsi Verma web series name Charamsukh Moman Daughter Palanted Double Dhamaka. 16. Sneha Paul. Web series named Charamsukh Chawal House Series. 15. Alia Naz. V series name Bahujan, Jaganya Upe, Chudiwala. 14. Mahi Kaur. Web series name Palanted Gaon Ki Garmi. 13. Rekha Mona Sarkar. Web series name Jussie King the Faker, Golden Hole. 12. Jinni Jazz. Web series name Chamsukh Jaane Anjane Mein, Love Guru. 11. Nihal Wadolia. Featured in Gujarati, Marathi, and Hindi series. 10. Bharati Jha. Known for her work in Bhojpuri films and web series. 9. Samita Paul. Web series name Desi Kiss. 8. Amika Shal. Web series name Chamsukh, Tuition Teacher, Gandhi Bhat 5. 7. Simran Khan. Web series name Chamsukh Jaane Anjane Mein. 6. Paromita Day. Web series name Tumse Na Ho Peg. 5. Flora Saini. Web series name Gandhi Bhat, Made in India, Dupur Thakurpo. 4. Anveshi Jan. Web series name Gandhi Bhat, Who's Your Daddy, Boss, Bap of Special Service. 3. Garima Jan. Web series name Gandhi Bhat, Mastram. 2. Priya Banerjee. Web series name Bekabu, Hello Mini, Twisted 3. 1. Abha Paul. Web series name Mastram, Gandhi Bhat, Lolita PG House.